Man, is this already looking like crap. Okay, so I've seen some EAS creators use VideoPad for their EASs, and no, this is not my official new editor. I'm still using Sony Vegas Pro 16.0, but I'm just seeing how I edit with this and stuff, and how this happens. And now I know why this blur looks so crappy. God damn it, VideoPad, why did you make such a bad directional blur? Well, if I have to deal with it, then I have to deal with it. So, yeah. Ugh. This sucks. Okay. Can I create a new video track? How do I do this, bro? Oh, God. No, God damn. Okay. I gotta stop and think this through. Like, is there any sort of way that I could, like, change, well, not change it, but, like, add a new video track or something, because this is all I got so far. Yeah, this is actually good for when you're starting off VideoPad. So, yeah. Okay, add text, simple text overlay. Your mom is gay. What? No, not the title thingy. God damn it. Okay. Whew. Oh, typo. Your mom is gay. Huh? God damn. No. No, stop. I literally had to download a black background image from Google to make this background. And I could create something way better in Vegas than this. Oh. Scroll from top to bottom. Actually, you know what? No. Scroll right to left. We ain't Hebrews reading that way. But that's how an EAS works. All you dum-dums that use Kind Master. I'm joking, okay? God damn. If I do that, what the fuck? Okay. Look. God damn it. Okay. Well, I guess we'll have to deal with that for now. Now we add the crappy directional blur. Strength. We bring it to a 2. Know if it would show up by now. Oh, there it is. Ugh. Okay. Oh, God.